You've probably heard a lot about El Niño and how it's going to play a major role in our winter weather this year. But what exactly is it and how does it influence our winter weather? Well, El Niño is part of a larger global climatic pattern known as ENSO, which stands for the El Niño Southern Oscillation. There are three phases: El Niño, neutral, and La Niña, which is the opposite of El Niño. Here's how it works. Under normal circumstances, we have trade winds that blow from east to west along the equator, and they carry warm ocean water from the western coast of South America and blows it westwards into Oceania. That results in much cooler ocean waters upwelling along the South American coast, which makes for some great fishing. But under El Niño conditions, these trade winds weaken, and that warm ocean water gradually gets pushed back eastwards along the western South American coast. This can have profound impacts on global weather. For us here in North America, it influences the jet stream and weakens it a little bit and pushing it a little bit further to the south, perhaps even doing what we call in meteorology decoupling. So we have our normal polar jet stream to the north and the Pacific jet stream to the south. What that means for us in the United States is typically warmer than average conditions in the Pacific Northwest, Northern Rockies, and including us here in the Ohio Valley. Along the southern United States into the southeastern United States, we can find much wetter than normal conditions. And for us in the Ohio Valley and Tennessee valleys, we can experience drier than normal conditions. But El Niño is not the end-all be-all when it comes to winter weather. There are multiple other climate patterns that can influence our winter weather. These are just the patterns that we typically see on average during an El Niño year. Whether or not we actually have warmer than average and drier than average conditions will just be something we have to wait and see, but chances are we likely will.